Hello everyone, here we have Big Shine LEDs Sky X. If you notice on top of the fixture, it has LED diodes, which means that 10% of the light shoots up towards the ceiling and 90% of the light shoots down towards the floor. This light comes in different wattages ranging from 60 watts all the way up to 240 watts. It has an IP rating of 65, which means it can be installed even in wet locations. It's powered by a Meanwell driver inside. When we take a look at the front side, the LED chip package is Lumi LEDs. Now the optics for this light come in different beam angles, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and 120 degrees for optimal light distribution. If you'd like to learn more about Sky X, please visit bigshineled.com. Thank you.